Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has pretty much done what it was supposed to be doing today, which is to work on the fourth wave. That's the idea. That's how we started the day. That's how we ended the day. Bitcoin is just working on the fourth wave. It's been a quiet day after quite a rapid increase in the last few days and a test of all-time highs where we haven't reached new all-time highs yet. The next upside levels to watch, by the way, here are 73,526. This is the swing high from Tuesday, and 74,430. That's the next larger degree Fibonacci extension level. I've added some smaller degree resistances to the chart as well that we can take a look at. And please note, this is just a look at the 1 hour chart. I also want to take a look at the USDT dominance chart, a chart we took a look at in our membership live stream a couple of weeks ago, in which, at least the pattern showed us a possible decline, continuation of the decline. That's precisely what we see right now. So that all went kind of together with the idea of Bitcoin dominance possibly still going a bit higher, but more importantly with Bitcoin going higher. Because when USDT dominance is going down, it's typically an indication that money is flowing into cryptos. And well, they do, but it's still most of it is flowing into Bitcoin, clearly. That's why Bitcoin dominance is going up. So we can take a look at that in this video. If you're interested in live chart access for these charts, Bitcoin chart, USDT dominance chart, the total market cap charts, you get live chart access 24/7 with our silver and gold memberships. You can check them out. The link is in the video description, and you get those links and you always see when things are changing and everything. What I want to talk about in this video is specifically here this area on the 1 hour chart. Tomorrow, in the video tomorrow, I'm going to take a look at the 1 day chart again. But let's zoom in and let's take a look at this structure. So what I highlighted yesterday was that possibly this fourth wave has started. That's still my view. I then shared with you earlier today that we possibly could be close to the end of the A wave, which would most highlighted in the last video that it might react to the 23.6 Fib level. It did. So this could now be a B wave. So it's unfolding nicely, actually. That B wave is typically a 3-wave move. I think you as well can identify here. 1 second. Let me go to the 30-minute chart. You can possibly also here identify that 3-wave move up that I'm talking about. So the B wave itself of wave 4. So wave 4 is an ABC structure typically. The B wave itself is a 3-wave move, A, B, C in wave B. And then a C wave decline could follow from there. So an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down. That's what I'm tracking in this wave 4. And the support for this wave 4 is located, key support is at 69,379. A typical ideal target for a fourth wave is the 38.2 retracement. That's located at 70,334. So it doesn't look finished yet, the overall correction, even though we reached the support zone already. I would prefer a larger wave 4, a wave 4 in which the C wave goes down a little bit lower and reaches the 70,330 level. And from there, then we can look for higher prices in wave 5 of C of 3. Yeah, that's the idea. And overall, what we can do when we have these, we can add a trend line, and that would form a corrective price channel. Now, I'm not very confident about it because it's not confirmed yet if the B wave has actually formed the top, but it's just something to be aware of. It could very well go down like that. That would be nice, but it doesn't need to. This is the B wave can easily stretch a little bit higher, and then this trend channel would change. But it looks like a parallel trend channel at the moment, like a corrective price channel. But for now, I think I'm watching if the C wave down has started, but if it pushes a little bit higher, that is still very much manageable within a B wave, very much acceptable within a B wave. Resistance would then be 73,156, 73,380, and 73,630. They are the next immediate resistance level. So that means probably in the next 24 hours, we should see a little bit more of a continuation of that correction. Any break above 74,470 would indicate we're already moving higher more directly, but the B wave could easily stretch out all the way to that level, even though that would be quite an aggressive B wave. Don't necessarily expect that. Normally they would stay around like the 88.7 Fib level. let's see. So let's take a look at USDT dominance. This is the chart I shared with you already in one of the previous updates, but also in our last membership live stream where we covered the total market cap charts, all of them, including Bitcoin dominance and USDT dominance. And here the message was that we broke below the trend line, could be an indication that the B wave indeed topped. We're heading down in wave C, of a larger degree fourth wave. It's not entirely clear if the B wave really formed the top, because the move down doesn't exactly look impulsive, but it could very well be a diagonal pattern to the downside that is currently unfolding. I don't have enough data to really give you a micro count for the C wave. And then again, it's not useful to do micro counting on USDT dominance. It's more about getting an idea of where we are, what are the key pivots. And I normally don't like to, I normally say that these really only allow us to identify tendencies, but really that B wave reacted so well and so accurately to the 61.8 retracement that it is quite interesting how well these Fibonacci levels are being respected even on a market cap chart, market cap dominance chart, where we're only dealing with percentages, right? But yeah, that's the idea. So if we go lower, then this indicates that funds are flowing back into cryptos, away from stable coins, which are cryptos as well, but you know what I mean, right? Away from stable coins into more risky cryptos, Bitcoin, but also altcoins. So we could be at the start of that decline. The trend line is broken, but as I said, it's not moving down impulsively yet, which doesn't give me a very clear indication that we really have topped. But that would be the base thesis right now, that we have topped, just not high confidence yet. So I'm watching for further downside here at the moment. And it is often the case that if Bitcoin goes higher, well, USDT dominance goes down, Bitcoin and other cryptos go higher kind of as a result, which makes sense because funds are flowing back into crypto. This rally here that we've seen, that is the rally between March and August, which makes sense as well, because in that period, cryptos mainly went down. So the funds didn't flow out of crypto, but they moved back into stable coins. Okay, so that's interesting. Had in that period USD dominance not gone up but down, then we would have, then all of the money, then money would have been, would have left crypto altogether, right? Because if USDT dominance goes up but crypto prices go down, it means money is flowing into stable coins. But if both go down, that's definitely not good. Okay, luckily that wasn't the case. Okay, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. If you're interested in the membership, on the website, and you find a link in the description, in the subscription section, you find 2 videos that explain the membership and how you can get connected to Discord. Check it out if you're interested, and have a great day. Bye-bye.